Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I will be reviewing a video game that I just finished, Battlefield 1 for the Xbox One. I just finished playing the campaign um, on hard difficulty. And first, let's talk about the overall setting. The setting of Battlefield 1 is of course during World War One. And really when you look at the from the graphics perspective, the graphics are amazing. Just the detail for the characters, for the tanks, the vehicles, the setting, whether it's the Ottoman desert or the trenches of the different battlefields in World War One are incredible. The graphics just overall, whether it's the sky or, as I said, the vehicles and just the overall um, way that the game looks is amazing. And next, let's talk about the plot. So, Battlefield 1 is broken up into six different war stories, and it starts at the beginning, kind of gives a backdrop of World War One, some historical knowledge, and you end up moving to different areas, the Ottoman desert, you end up being on the German front lines, um, you're in all different areas representing where different battles took place during World War One. And overall, the plot is very well developed. It is historically accurate, and truly, the developers tried to include as much history and as many facts as possible into the game so that it would feel like it's historically accurate, but also a fun game to play. And furthermore, let's talk about the weapons. There are a variety of weapons that you can use in the campaign for Battlefield 1. And what I like is that there are weapon crates all over the map where you can get the best weapons and win each mission. And um, there's always a great variety of weapons that you can use during the Battlefield 1 campaign that will give you an advantage and help you win that particular mission. One of the missions in the Battlefield 1 campaign involves being a Royal Air Force um, fighter, and you get to fly a plane representative of the era. It's a very fun mission where you get to um, engage in dogfights and blow up an enemy blimp. It's an amazing mission and it's really entertaining. And furthermore, with the Battlefield 1 campaign, the missions, for the most part, are very fast-paced, they're exciting, and you never know what you're going to have to do for the next mission. Always keeps you on your toes. And the next part, let's talk about the difficulty. So I chose to play the Battlefield 1 campaign on hard difficulty. The Battlefield 1 campaign overall is not as difficult as other first-person shooter games that I've beaten on veteran difficulty or hard difficulty, like Call of Duty, Medal of Honor, etc. But it is about medium dif- um, with regard to the other games that I beat. And I would say there's just certain missions where it does get quite difficult to complete everything in the game while trying to conserve your health. Your health can go down really quickly. You have to be very sneaky. You have to make sure that you're using cover correctly. But overall, the campaign is not that difficulty and hard. It's not that difficult on hard difficulty. And wrapping up this review, I highly recommend checking Battlefield 1 if you have not already and playing the campaign. I know you won't regret it. Alright, I hope you enjoy this game review. Please let me know If you would like to see a Battlefield 1 campaign walkthrough, I'd be more than glad to do that. Alright, bye.